The epicenter of the quake was located at 67 kilometers off the coast of Fukushima Prefecture at a depth of about 10 km according to a geological survey. The earthquake was observed at 5:59 am. The quake was felt in Tokyo and nearby areas. There have been reports of 90 cm, 60 centimeters and 1 m tsunami hits several seashores. Tsunami is expected to reach 3 meters high. No immediate reports of damage or injuries. Below is the live stream video report straight from Japan. Developing story. Keep locked on the page for more Japan earthquake news and update.